Health officials are right now considering all necessary precautions in an effort to better contain the spread of the COVID-19 virus amidst mounting global concern over the new Omicron variant rapidly spreading around the world. Reports surfacing today that it's already in 20 countries. While the Minister of Health says officials do not believe it has made its way to our shores, health officials are keeping close watch and are standing ready to make adjustments to protocols should the need arises. Cleopatra Murphy leads us off tonight.
Government could tighten restrictions as the Omicron COVID-19 variant, believed to be much more transmissible, spreads across the globe. CNN reports that the virus, first discovered in South Africa, has now been confirmed in 19 countries, including Canada. While government initially issued travel bans for 8 African countries, Minister of Health and Wellness, the Honourable Dr. Michael Darville, says health officials are monitoring to determine where changes may be necessary amidst growing concern.
Our borders are open. As you look downtown, our tourists are back. There is a testing modality on all cruise ships. There's testing that is presently at our border. We are concerned that the rapid antigen test may not be adequate enough because this variant is very deadly, and if it comes into our country, it could mean difficulties for us to be able to function effectively and allow our tourism to keep moving forward. So with that being said, I've said it before, we are looking very closely at tightening up some of our protocols, and that decision will be made in short order.
With the virus spreading beyond Africa, the World Health Organization has criticized that targeting that continent attacks global solidarity, a sentiment Darville weighed in on.
For us as a small country, and with us with difficulties in our healthcare system, we must be very vigilant and we must do what is best for the Bahamas. And that's exactly what we're doing.
The emergence of the new variant recently prompted former Minister of Health Dr. Dwayne Sands to suggest government reintroduce PCR testing for travelers entering the Bahamas. Darville says health officials had already been contemplating such a move.
We have been considering it from the first day we learned about the virus and the new mutation. Our borders are one of the most vulnerable areas for the importation of this new strain. And so that is being discussed, and within a few days we will make a final decision.
Due to the threat of the new variant, the CDC has upped its recommendation from adults may get booster shots to they should. The Bahamas is set to roll out boosters for just the immunocompromised, but Darville says officials are considering options.
We are discussing it. We have some resistance because not everyone is of the same view. Some people believe that the vaccine is very precious, and the first option should be to the individual who have never been vaccinated. But with that being said, and as we begin to look at what's happening around the world, we realize that the booster shot is a very important element, and the Bahamas is looking at it as we speak.
Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.
If you missed anything, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our ZNS Network YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for breaking news, live event coverage, web exclusives, and much more.